Hi my dazzlers, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I recreated this Ananya Pandey inspired makeup look. This look is very soft and very dreamy and very bombshell types and is very romantic, and it just looks so pretty and feminine and chic and elegant. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and if you're not yet subscribed to my channel then do subscribe. And now let's get started. I will use a cleansing balm first to remove the makeup I already have, and I'm going to use the Lotus Organics Precious Brightening Cleansing Balm. I love using this whenever I want to remove my makeup. Plus it's great for removing dirt and impurities from the skin and deep cleans pores without clogging it. Plus it does not dry out the skin as it has 100% organic white peony extract, and it does not have any preservatives, no mineral oil and no artificial fragrance. Now this is carrot oil, which helps in skin brightening and rejuvenating the skin, and it also fights wrinkles and soothes sunburned skin. The white peony extract, which I just told you about, provides antioxidant benefits and it just makes the skin more radiant. So I take a small amount of cleansing balm, massage gently on my face until the texture transforms into oil, then wet my face with water and massage it, and it transforms oil balm into milk, and then I rinse it off. Then I use a face wash, and I'm going to use the Lotus Organics Precious Brightening Face Wash. It is super gentle on the skin and is suitable for normal to oily skin. This too has 100% organic fresh white peony extract. It removes dullness caused by pollution and makes it healthy and glowy. It is very hydrating, it is sulfate free and does not have any artificial fragrance. So I make sure all the dirt goes away from my face. I just take a small amount and massage it on my face nicely and then wash it off, and I'm left with a squeaky clean face. Next I'm going to use a moisturizer, and I'm going to use the Precious Brightening Day Cream. It is very lightweight and gets quickly absorbed into the skin. I'm going to put the coupon code on the screen. You can avail a great discount using this coupon code, and I'm also going to link the products in the description box below, so don't forget to check them out. I'm done prepping my skin, and now I'll start with the makeup. So I just got changed, and now I'm going to apply the e.l.f. Must Have Insta Glow Pre-Makeup Serum. I'm not using any primer. I'm just going to apply this because it primes and hydrates, and it just provides a very beautiful luminous glow to the skin. Now taking the Pack 219 brush, I'm just taking this Sugar Orange Corrector, and I'm going to apply it under my eyes just to hide my dark circles. I'm also going to apply a little bit on the sides of my forehead because I've got a little bit of pigmentation there. Alright, now straight to the foundation. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Must Have Waterproof Liquid Foundation. And I'm going to take some on the Plume Kabuki brush and just dot it all over my face. I'm not going to apply much, so just a little bit. And now I'm going to blend it. Now taking a damp sponge, this is the Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge. I'm just going to blend it really nicely. I'm done with blending the foundation. Now I'm going to conceal my under eye area, and I'm going to use the concealer I always use. I still did not find anything better than this. So I'm going to use the Forever 52 Complete Coverage Concealer, and I'm just going to apply it under my eyes, especially the inner corners because there's a lot of darkness there, and blend it with the sponge. Now I'm going to set my under eye area with the K-Beauty Loose Powder in the shade Banana, and I'm going to take my sponge and just bake the under eye area a little bit, and just keep it like that for maybe 30 seconds. Now we have 30 seconds and we can easily do our eyebrows. I'm just going to take the Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer, and I'm going to fill in my brows. I'm just not going to do anything else. Now taking the Benefit Give Me Brow, I'm going to just take the excess out and apply it on my eyebrows just to set it. My eyebrow and base routine is pretty much the same. Although I'm looking for new products, and I've ordered a couple of new products, actually not couple, a bunch of new products, and I can't wait to try them out. So my eyebrows are done. Now I'm just going to dab my under eye area with this makeup sponge, and it just makes my under eye area look so bright and fresh and awake. Now I'm going to bronze my face just a little bit because I want this look to be very fresh and clean. I'm going to use the Milani Baked Bronzer in the shade Glow, and this is such a pretty bronzer. I'm just going to apply it right here in a C shape. I'm not going till the end, I'm just applying it right here. Also on my jawline, and just a little bit on the nose. Okay, so that's about it. Now I'm going to apply blush, and for my blush I'm going to use the Flower Beauty Blush Bomb. This is in the shade Bubbly. I'm just going to take some and apply it on my cheeks. It looks so fresh and glowy and dewy. Again, I'm taking it in a C shape and spreading it upwards. I'm going to highlight later. Now let me move on to the eyes. Before that, I'm going to use the e.l.f. eye primer and apply it all over my eyelids and just blend it for a clean canvas for the eyeshadow. For my eyes, I'm going to take the Lime Crime Venus palette and I'm going to take this shade and apply it all over my eyes. Just going to apply it with my fingers all over my eyes. I'm just going to take this brush and with no product in it, I'm just going to blend the edges. Now I'm going to apply this darker shade. I'm going to take it with my fingers also and then applying it all over my eyelids again. Her eyes look like they're a little bit more darker than what I have right now. So I'm going to take the Faces Canada Ultime Pro eyeshadow palette and this is in the shade Glimmer. I'm going to take this dark brown and apply it in the outer corners of my eyes and taking a little bit up in the crease area. Taking the blending brush again, I'm just going to smoothen the edges. Just blend it really, really well so that there are no harsh lines. I'm also going to take this dark shade and apply it in the lower lash line. I just curled my lashes and the mascara I'm going to use is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I just recently started using it and I'm already in love with it. For my lower lash line, I'm going to use the Maybelline Colossal mascara. This is a waterproof one. I'll just let my mascara dry and I'm not going to wear any false lashes today. I still have to apply brown liner, so I'll just come back to that after my lashes are dried. Now I'm going to highlight my face and I'm using the Rimmel highlight in the shade Stardust. I have started using this highlighter recently and I am in love with it. I'm also going to take this highlighter and apply it on my eyelids. Just the inner third area of my eyelids and apply some in the inner corners of my eyes. Now I'm going to take the Rimmel Scandalized Kajal in the shade Chocolate Brown and I'm going to line my lash line, upper lash line with this and then just the slightest amount on my lower lash line and then just blend it. Also blend the kajal very, very lightly. It just gives a very smoky and not a harsh look because the whole look is very soft and very, very romantic. So for the lipstick, I'm going to take the Maybelline Super Stay Ink Crayon in the shade Lead the Way and I'm going to apply it all over my lips. This is such a pretty lip color. Now taking the Balm Liquid Lipstick in the shade Committed, I am going to apply it all over my lips. Alright guys, so this is my finished makeup look. I hope you liked it. This is such a simple and it looks very pretty, very elegant, very chic and is so romantic and soft. I love this makeup look and I hope you liked it too. If you did, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.